Hello guys, you guys can see it's out of order again.
The wash is currently out of service.
I think I realized. And in case you guys are wondering why, it's because they're redoing the walls in here. And the ceiling too, I think. Not quite getting there yet, but that's what they're doing. You can't really tell they are, I guess, yet. Actually, over there you can. So yeah, I guess that's what they're doing. The system is still in there. And everything else, but they're doing some stuff. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. And that'll be it for today.